everyone, you are welcome to Prosper Channel TV. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. If you have not, please kindly do so by pressing the subscribe button. Thank you very much once again. God bless you. Tension in Kano State as protesters says no to lockdown order. Hey. There is tension in Kano State right now as citizens took to the streets to display their anger over the one-week lockdown order issued by President Muhammadu Buhari. The citizens who are not happy with the lockdown in their number marching the streets to display their anger. As of 11:55 p.m. April 25th, 2020, the total number of COVID-19 in Kano State is 139, while they have 3 deaths. Abeg, I want to ask this question. Make una no vex. Let's go like this. Are these people in this continent? What are they doing? They are protesting because they asked them to stay in their houses, even seeing what is happening in their own place. Where are these people from? I begin to wonder, why are these people thinking like this the way they think? Why? So it's like these people, they don't still believe in this COVID-19 virus. Even what is happening right now in their states, they're not even seeing it, that this is a very great danger. Kano State is in doom. Kano State is in a big problem. And as it don't come, so it don't come be this. I begin to see the reason why so many Nigerians are saying they should divide this country. Let everybody go in their own. This northern part of the country, make them go, make them stay on their own. Make we stay on our own. The Southerners stay, not people. Make we stay on our own. Because of this kind of reasoning, I can't believe this thing is happening. So they're not even afraid of what is happening to them in that their state, or they don't understand what is happening. They say like father, like son. That's their governor Ganduje. Before that man could even say what is killing people in Kano State is malaria, acute malaria, hypertension, diabetes. He took him so many days before he could even say that. Until now, Ganduje never believe say wetin dey kill people for his state na COVID-19 virus. He never believe am. They feel say all the people when they now only people when they part for chest. As Oyibo people they part like that. I just want to go like this. Mona permits me today because I dey vex. This one not be Oyibo matter. I just want to go like this. Because these people, their own done too much. They feel that it's only those people that will be parting. Bam, bam. Now only those people now then get COVID-19. Nigeria own is different. Everybody with their kind of way they think they do them. Some people say the thing not go just show before you see the person die. Just like what happened to one of Tinubu's security guys also. That guy not get any symptoms. He just died. Now when he died, now they can't know say na COVID-19 na killer. So that is how this thing is. You understand? So many persons when they feel say you will have these symptoms of difficulty in breathing, that is when you will know that you are a victim of this virus, this COVID-19 virus. That now only that time they gonna know say you don't carry. Now lie oh. This one now, he get many ways when he tell they catch people. This governor, they look wetin they look, they see. You know why me they call him? Because he started these things all this while. When every other state locked down their states, he did not. He left everybody, they waka up and down. He could not even make any one single preparation in case of eventualities. He did not do anything. He fold the hand, they look till when they were knock for him door. Now that time I begin they run up and down. But I tell you, say even the up and down when they run, he never fit do anything. Last week they cry say the federal government have neglected them, they abandoned them. There is no testing kits, no isolation center, and all that. Who won't do one? Every other state that got themselves ready, are they not human beings? Look at these people, then they protest. Say they tell them, say make them stay for us. Me, I even they fear for them because they don't spare doom for this their state. The kind death when go they kill them, the kind death when go kill them for that place. When we say, if you just wake up like this in the night, you go see people, you go see dead body in the streets. That is what is going to happen in Kano State if they don't take their time. Even yesterday, somebody died like that. The man just slumped in Kano. What? He won't don't finish. He just died like that. People just they waka like that, they go slump, they go die. They say na strange death. Some people they attribute them to this former Emir Sanusi, saying because the man drive dethrone am, now it make people they die like that. Is a traditional whatever. So what I'm just trying to say here is what is happening in Kano State is full blown of COVID-19 virus, and these people till now they don't even know what is happening to them. Till now they don't even know that their lives, all of them are in danger there. If something like this is happening in their state, up till now they cannot even reason well that this is not good for them. They are coming out to protest because they ask them to stay in the house and stay alive. Now that place, now the government can't do bad thing. I don't tire for their matter. Where I won't start from. Their own papa, their governor, come say he won't fight COVID-19 virus. In the first place, he asked the federal government to give him 15,000 billion to fight the COVID-19 virus. He not stop there. You know what he do? He can't carry his daughter. Can't put as a lead to the senior doctors. Person never even talk for the place. He don't sack the daughter. Say wetin make am go the ground this thing to press. They begin they tell them about COVID-19 virus and what is happening in Kano State, because Kano State is not prepared. Even up to now, they are not still yet prepared. All right, let's see what's going to happen. President Muhammadu Buhari have come out to say that he's not going to abandon them. That they are there for them. But even when you see somebody is going to help you and you refuse to take instructions, how are you going to cope? How are you going to avert this problem? Because they are not listening to instructions. They are protesting against lockdown. If other states, when we say like 2 or 3 persons say now, then carry this thing, they do this kind of thing, you go say no wahala. Now your state have 139 cases. About 640 persons died just 1 week. This is not they fear you. You they waka for streets say they do protest. Now you sabi. So hello guys. Let's hear what Nigerians are saying about this protest. Okay. Sorry the way I'm going about it. I'm just very, very angry about what these people are doing. Okay, somebody is saying here, Kano are the biggest fool I've never seen in my life. This protest is not done in a civilized manner. This is the end of Kano State. All right, somebody is saying here, ignorance and stupidity. God have mercy on them. Okay, somebody is saying here, insanity. I pray una don't finish be this. I am not surprised because they are same as their so-called leader. They cannot even control others, see their own social distancing. Wow. Okay, somebody is saying here, what do you expect? We in Kaduna to do still, okay, what do you expect? We in Kaduna still day 1 month with no palliative and all that. Just sit at home for 1 week and you are protesting because they ask you to stay for 1 week. The bigger problem we have in this country is Hausa, Fulani people. Now, wow. Okay, somebody is saying here, the lockdown is just 2 weeks, not 1 week, okay? All right. Okay, someone is saying here, see Mumu people, government is trying to help you, you refuse. Ngwa now, go die. Okay, these are Nigerians that's reacted to this. Okay, someone is saying, look at the crowd. Now, wow. Where are the military personnel? They should just come and drive these people in because this is not good for them. Okay, Nigeria is in a big problem. God is very, very far enough to us in Nigeria. for another countries that we deliver. Okay, I can't really get what this person is writing. So hello guys, what's your take on this? What's your opinion on this?